Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Man. In this video, I will show you how to mirror an image in Photoshop. First, open the image in Photoshop, then go to Image Rotation, flip it horizontally or vertically, then duplicate your layer by pressing Command J or Control J, and then go to Edit and click Transform and flip horizontally. This will only flip the selected layer. Now just move around and align the layers the way you want. You may need to click on the lock icon on the first layer to be able to move it around as well. Well, that's basically it. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.